බලන්න පුතා on page number 109, right? You have the concave surface. This is the concave surface, right? So, make a concave surface එකක් නම් this is curved no, right? This is a curved mirror. එතකොට පුතා මට හෝමම ඕක ස්ෆියර් එකක් වගේ මට මේක මේ මොකද්ද? I can continue to draw no? අන්න එහෙම තමයි පුතා මෙතන draw කරලා තියෙන්නේ. Right? So, I can have a center of curvature for that mirror. I can have a center of curvature for that mirror. And you see this middle line, right? This midline, that is what we call as the principal axis. The line joining the pole, that is the P, and the center of curvature is known as the principal axis. Right? What is the pole? Pole කියන්නේ පුතා, the center point of the curved mirror is known as the pole. Let me go back to my paint screen. ඔන්න මං පුතා තව mirror එකක් අඳිනවා. Okay, Shafka, tell me what is this mirror I'm drawing, okay? What is this mirror පුතා?
Concave.
Concave, right. මං චුට්ටක් පොඩියට අඳින්නම්. That was too big, right? Okay, right. This is a curved surface now. So, this curved surface is a concave mirror, right? Concave mirror කියලා මම දන්නවා. Why? Because මේ පැත්තට මේ වක්‍ර වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. What I will do is, Puta, I'm going to imagine that I can draw a sphere with it. I don't know if that will align with it. I can draw a kind of a, what do we tell? Circle covering it, no? Does that make sense? Make a
Why are you drawing a circle?
circle පුතා මම imagine කරනවා, right? මේ curvature එක continue වෙනවා කියලා. Does that make sense, පුතා? ඇයි අපි ඒක අඳින්නේ? දැන් එතන ප්‍රශ්නයක් එනවා නේද? ඇයි අඳින්නේ කියලා. මම මෙහෙම explain කරන්න පුතා. එතකොට තේරෙයි. මේ බලන්න. This curvature is this much පුතා. Imagine I draw a curvature like this, highly curved. Give me a minute. හරි පුතා. Right. What I wanted to explain is බලන්න. Now මේ curvature එකයි මේ curvature එකයි බලන්න. What's going to happen පුතා? What is happening here? මේකේ curvature එක වැඩි නේද?
Yeah, miss.
මේකේ curvature එක වැඩි වුණාම මොනවද පුතා වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? The center, this midpoint of the mirror to the this one, right? This distance is very short, no? What about this one? The midpoint of this mirror to the center of curvature is longer, isn't it? Right? Give me a minute, Puta. Give me a minute. I have some guess. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, Puta. Sorry about it. I'm keeping you all waiting. Right. Okay, so as I was explaining, Puta, can you see the reason as to why I had to know about the curvature, Puta? I had to have an understanding about how much is it curved, right? So therefore, I should have an idea about the center of the curvature. If I'm going to draw a mirror like this, a concave mirror like this, oh my, what's going to happen for this mirror's center of curvature?
It's going
Can
to
you
be
it's going to be large. එතකොට පුතා form වෙන image එකෙත් වෙනසක් ඇති වෙනවා. Not all the curved surfaces are the same. Some you will see yourself very tiny. In some mirrors you will see yourself not that tiny, right? Not that big, not that small. එතකොට පුතා curvature එකේ වෙනසක් තියෙනවනේ. Right? So that's why we have to know about these terms. එතකොට බලන්න පුතා දැන් මේ ඔක්කොම ටික තේරෙනවද කියලා? Center of curvature, principal axis කොහොමද පුතා ගන්නෙ? You are supposed to connect the midpoint of the mirror to the center of curvature, and that line is what we call as the principal axis. So the same goes with the convex mirrors also. Make sense?
yeah, miss.
Right. එතකොට පුතා තව දෙයක් තියෙනවා. තව දැන් වචන ගොඩක් තියෙනවා ඔලුවට දාගන්න. Focal point of the curved mirror. What does this focal point mean? බලන්න here පුතා. Can you see this image? මෙතන බලන්න පුතා, you have a nice what do we call this? A concave mirror. You have a parallel light beam coming and being reflected, right? So whatever comes here is going to get converged, and the parallel light ray that comes over here is going to get converged. But what the light ray that comes through the center of the curvature, see here පුතා, that comes as the principal axis. මැදින්ම යන එක මොකද පුතා වෙන්නේ? හරියටම bounce back වෙනවා. It's not going to change its direction. It is going to change its direction, but without an angle, perpendicular, right? එතකොට principal axis එකකින් එන line light ray එක එහෙමම bounce වෙනවා. But over here they are going to get these 2 points, they are going to get converged. So ultimately puta, all of the light rays on ඔහොම එන light rays puta, they are going to meet at a certain point. The parallel light rays, when they come, and they are going to get met in one small point, and that is what we call as what puta? Focal point. Make sense?
Yeah, miss.
Right. Okay. එතකොට බලන්න here මේ බලන්න. Shafat, read this part පුතා here, this part.
Rays coming parallel to the principal axis towards the concave mirror pass through a point on the principal axis after reflecting from the mirror. If a screen is placed on that point so as to allow the reflected rays to fall on it, a small bright spot would be visible. This point, marked as F in figure 5.8, is known as the focus or the focal of
Point.
the mirror.
Yeah, focal point. Right. Okay. So that's the place where the light rays will get bounced back. So principal axis එකෙන් එන light ray එක bounce back වෙලා පුතා හරහම යනවා නම්, that is the place what we call as the focal point, right? Now let us see what happens in the case of a convex mirror. Make a convex ne puta. What's going to happen? The light rays are going to get converged, the diverged puta. In this case, the light rays are going to get diverged. Converged නෙමෙයි වෙන්නේ. ඒගොල්ලෝ spread වෙනවා පුතා. Parallelly ඇවිල්ලා ඔන්න bounce back වෙලා කියන්නේ they get spreaded, right? Then if you draw them back, right, the focal point, you can get a what do we tell, over here, right? You can get it behind the mirror like this, right? So as shown in the figure 5.9, rays coming parallel to the principal axis and incident on the convex mirror are reflected as divergent beams. You can see it's coming in, getting diverged, coming in, getting diverged. However, you know what? Principal axis එකෙන් එන එක පුතා A හරහම තමයි යන්නේ, right? It get bounced back on itself. Those divergent reflected rays appear to be coming from the focal point. අපි මේ spread වෙලා වෙන යන මේ light rays තියෙනව නේද පුතා? If we are going to draw them back, right? It seems like those light rays are coming from that focal point, right? Does that make sense, Puta?
Yeah.
So, Balana,
Yes.
the focal point of a spherical mirror is situated at the midpoint on the line connecting the pole and the center of curvature.